stand next to you 1 year, and next year they cannot stand there. They just going crazy screaming. They just can't take it that you're right there. But just last year, I was in the same club, walking around lonely like a motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? Couldn't get a date. Couldn't get nobody to dance with me. I was too skinny, too something. And now he's just adorable. He's just
I bet you got it twisted, you don't know who to trust. So many player hating niggas trying to sound like us. Say they ready for the bump, but I don't think they know it. Straight to the depths of hell, that's where those cops going. Well, all you still down, nigga, holler when you see me. And let these devils be sorry for the day they finally free me. I got a caravan of niggas every time we ride, hitting motherfuckers up when we pass by. Until I die, live the life of a boss player. Cause even when I'm high, fuck with me and get crossed later. The future's in my eyes, cause all I want is cash and things. I 5 below, bands wantin' flashy brains. Bitches pursue me like a dream. Been known to disappear before your eyes like a dope thing. It seems my main thing was to be major. Paid the game sharper than the motherfucking razor blade. Save money, bring bitches, bitches bring lies. One nigga's getting jealous and motherfuckers die. Depend on me like the first and 15. They might hold me for a second, but people gon' get me. We got 4 niggas and low riders and ski masks screaming thug life. Every time they pass, all eyes on me. Live the life of a thug nigga till the day I die. Live the life of a boss player. All eyes on me. Live the life of a thug nigga until the day I die. Live the life of a boss player. Cause all eyes on me. All eyes on me.
Я сам будто себя наказал этим непониманием, перестал себе тупо доверять, тебе застали, жаловался на людей. Караван гремел и негодяй потешал себя баснями о воде. Но то были миражи, ты покаяние мое, найди-ка меня скорей. Пустынями верными я кочевал, до песок глотал следы. И не надо быть тут пророком, чтобы понимать суету беды. Сам приволок эти пулечом мыслями, выстрелами судьбы. Убивали во мне этого бога, что по сути был по воды.
All eyes on me. All eyes on me. Live the life of a thug nigga until the day I die. Live the life as a boss player. All eyes on me. The feds is watching, niggas plotting to get me. Will I survive, will I die? Come on, let's picture the possibility. Giving me charges, lawyers making a grip. I told the judge I was raised wrong, and that's why I blaze shit. Was hyper as a kid, cold as a teenager. On my mobile calling big shots, on the scene major. Packing hundreds in my drawers. Fuck the law, bitches I fuck with a passion. I'm living rough and raw, catching cases at a fast rate. Rolling in the fast lane, hustle till the morning, never stop until the cash came. Live my life as a thug nigga until the day I die. Live my life as a boss player. Even getting high, these niggas got me tossing shit. I put the top down, now it's time to floss my shit. Keep your head up, nigga, make these motherfuckers suffer. Up in the bins, burning rubber. The money is mandatory, the hoes is for the stress. This criminal lifestyle, you took up the bulletproof vest. Make sure your eyes is on the meal ticket. Get your money, motherfucker, let's get rich and real. Kick it, all eyes on me. Live the life as a thug nigga until the day I die. Live the life as a boss player. All eyes on me. All eyes on me. Live the life of a thug nigga until the day I die. Live the life as a boss player. All eyes on me.